Okay, so another view. All right, so there you go. This here is our carry chair. So it helps us extricate patients that are in, apartments that have a few flights of stairs, or they can't actually walk and they need to get down to the ambulance or the awaiting stretcher there. We use those chairs quite regularly. And here is the carry sheet, which we sometimes use to help get patients who are in difficult spots out of locations, and we'll carry them out and eventually place them on the stretcher as well. There's another lot of knickknacks in there. And as I said to you, this is our spine board here, our patch slide, and this one here is our scoop stretcher. And in the little blue bag here, we have a lot of straps and a lot of little other knickknacks in there. So that's pretty much it, briefly. Quite exciting, I suppose, but look, getting to know where everything is always a challenge. As you can see, there's compartments at the top there, which I won't go into, and they have a lot of other gear that we utilize at specific jobs. Well, hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much for joining me, and all take care and stay safe.